elected by the judge.
Makioya mebetwa ta commissioner a commission ya ucirithania.
I, Honorable Evelyn Sylvia Achieng Olwande, having been elected under Articles 171 sub-article 2D of the Constitution of Kenya as a member of the Judicial Service Commission,
without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, or prejudice. So help me God.
Musirithania Njoki Ndung'u mari na muruna we Evelyn Olwande mari ikerekaine ria gutungata komishoni iyo sirithania kumikira binya na gutigirira ni ekindira. Igongona riri rigiterebwo ni musirithania munene Martha Koome makioya mebetwa oritie acirithania ya kurugama na kinyi wira-ini wao o ta uria mathitwo ni mebetwa.
The oath of office you have taken today, and I always say this to all the people that I administer the oath to, must serve as your constant guide in the discharge of your responsibilities. The oath binds you to fidelity, to the Constitution and the law, and calls upon you to serve the people of Kenya with diligence, integrity, impartiality, and devotion.
Musirithania Njoki Ndung'u uria woete ithenya riri thutha wa gikuo kia uria wari musirithania wa igoti itugiru Mohamed Ibrahim kithurano-ini kiria giatabanirio urugamiriri-ini wa IEBC athurirwo ni aruna ake gutari no cindani akirugamirira rubonge rwa ucirithania commission-ini ino.
And even as I step into the shoes of my late brother Justice Ibrahim, I do commit to also represent in as far as possible the concerns of other judges and judicial officers as we work in the Judicial Service Commission.
Mwena-ini wake Olwande egukorwo agitungata itena ria keri thutha wa gutungata miaka 5 ta commissioner.
Serving in this commission has been both an honor and a profound learning experience, one that has strengthened my appreciation of the delicate yet critical role the commission plays in safeguarding judicial independence and accountability.
Komishoni ya ucirithania irugamagirirwo ni musirithania munene murugamiriri umwe wa igoti itugiru wa gucokia cira riko munene wa watho mawakiri eri memba wa komishoni ya utungata kuri muingi na a Kenya eri mamuritwo ni president na kubitukio ni bunge. Makioya mebetwa ya gutungata thiine wa komishoni ya ucirithania. Acirithania aya eri merigereirwo kureta mogaruruku na kugacirithia uruti wira thiine wa komishoni ino. Ngeribotera Inooro TV de kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.